In the hustle and bustle of modern life, where the world spins faster with each passing day and the relentless pace of technology and commerce leaves little room for peace, one might wonder, is there a philosophy that can offer a way out of the chaos? A way that provides clarity, balance, and a deeper connection to oneself and the universe? Taoism, a timeless ancient Chinese philosophy, might just hold the answers we need today more than ever. Imagine a philosophy that doesn't demand you fight against the currents of life, but instead teaches you how to flow with them. Imagine living a life where you embrace simplicity, natural rhythms, and the interconnectedness of all things. This is the essence of Taoism, an ancient philosophy that is more relevant now than ever before. Welcome, dear viewers, to the Unfolding Journey, a space where we explore the depths of wisdom from the past and apply it to the realities of the present. In a world filled with noise and distractions, this channel serves as a reminder that true peace and fulfillment come from tuning into the profound teachings that have stood the test of time. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of these ancient teachings, Taoism, and explore how its principles can guide us in our modern lives. Whether you're new to Taoism or have been seeking a more meaningful way of living, this journey will offer valuable insights that can transform your perspective and daily routine. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this enlightening adventure together. To understand Taoism, we must first look at the meaning of the word Tao. In Chinese, the word Tao literally translates to way or path. However, its meaning is much more profound. It represents the natural order of the universe, the underlying principle that flows through all things, both seen and unseen. Taoism, as a philosophical tradition, teaches us to align ourselves with the Tao, to live in harmony with the natural world, and to let go of the struggles that stem from trying to control everything around us. The foundational text of Taoism is the Tao Te Ching, written by the sage Laozi around the 6th century BCE. In this text, Laozi outlines the way of the Tao and the virtues one should cultivate to live in accordance with it. The core message of the Tao Te Ching is simple. Life is most harmonious when we allow things to unfold naturally, without forcing them. This idea of non-action, or Wu Wei, is central to Taoism. Wu Wei does not mean inaction. Rather, it refers to taking action in a way that is effortless and in tune with the flow of life. The teachings of Taoism encourage us to look beyond the superficiality of materialism and to recognize the interconnectedness of all things. In the Taoist worldview, the distinction between humans and nature, or the individual and the collective, is an illusion. Everything is connected, and everything has its own rhythm. Taoism teaches us that the key to happiness is not in acquiring more or doing more, but in embracing simplicity, being present, and allowing ourselves to flow with the natural order of life. Fast forward to the present day, where we live in a world dominated by technology, consumerism, and constant striving. The modern era presents challenges that seem to clash with the core values of Taoism: speed, competition, and the pursuit of external success. The world has become a place where we are constantly bombarded with demands, and the pressure to be constantly productive is higher than ever. Yet, despite all the advancements and conveniences, many people find themselves feeling disconnected, anxious, and burned out. This is where Taoism offers us a fresh perspective. In the ancient world, Taoism taught that humans should align themselves with the natural flow of life. In our fast-paced modern society, this message is more important than ever. Taoism reminds us that by letting go of our need for control, we can find peace and clarity amidst the chaos of the world. 1. Embracing simplicity and minimalism. In modern times, we are often taught that happiness is found in accumulation: more money, more possessions, more achievements. The Taoist principle of simplicity, however, offers a radically different approach. Taoism encourages us to find joy in the simple things and to strip away the clutter in our lives. This aligns perfectly with the minimalist movement that has gained popularity in recent years, where people seek to declutter their physical and mental spaces in order to live more intentional, focused lives. By practicing simplicity, we can learn to appreciate what we already have, rather than constantly striving for more. This not only brings contentment, but also reduces stress and anxiety. When we live in accordance with the Tao, we understand that happiness does not lie in external possessions, but in the ability to be present and at peace with what is. 2. Cultivating non-action, Wu Wei. One of the most powerful concepts in Taoism is Wu Wei, or non-action. At first glance, this might sound like a call to inaction, but in reality, Wu Wei encourages us to take action in the most natural, effortless way possible. It is the art of doing things without forcing them, allowing things to unfold as they are meant to. In the modern world, this can be a challenging practice. We are often conditioned to believe that hard work and constant striving are the keys to success. However, Taoism teaches us that by forcing things, we only create resistance and struggle. Instead, we can achieve our goals by working with the natural flow of life, rather than against it. This doesn't mean we should be passive or lazy. It simply means we should learn to act in harmony with the rhythms of the world, without overexertion or unnecessary force. 3. Connection with nature. In a society that is increasingly disconnected from the natural world, Taoism offers a powerful reminder of the importance of nature in our lives. Taoism teaches that humans are not separate from nature, but are an integral part of it. The Taoist sage seeks to live in harmony with the earth, respecting its cycles and rhythms. This concept is particularly relevant today as environmental issues such as climate change, deforestation, and pollution become ever more pressing. By reconnecting with nature, we can find balance and clarity in our lives. Whether it's through spending time in the outdoors, practicing mindfulness in natural settings, or simply appreciating the beauty of the world around us, Taoism encourages us to honor the earth and live in a way that is sustainable and respectful of the environment. 4. Mindfulness and present moment awareness. Another key teaching of Taoism is the practice of mindfulness and present moment awareness. In a world filled with distractions, it can be difficult to focus on the present moment. Yet Taoism reminds us that true peace comes from living fully in the present, without being burdened by the past or the future. By practicing mindfulness, we can cultivate a deeper sense of awareness and clarity. This not only improves our mental well-being, but also allows us to make more conscious decisions in our daily lives. Taoism teaches us that by being present, we can experience life in its fullness and appreciate the beauty and simplicity of each moment. As we look around at the challenges of the modern world, Taoism offers us a path to peace, balance, and fulfillment. By embracing simplicity, practicing non-action, reconnecting with nature, and cultivating mindfulness, we can navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and clarity. Taoism reminds us that the way to true happiness and success is not through force or control, but through alignment with the natural rhythms of the world. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by the demands of modern life or seeking a deeper sense of meaning and connection, the timeless wisdom of Taoism can help guide you on your journey. By integrating these teachings into your daily life, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace and harmony that transcends the chaos of the external world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Taoism and its relevance in the modern world. We hope that this discussion has provided valuable insights that can help you navigate your own journey with greater peace and wisdom. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the Unfolding Journey YouTube channel for more inspiring content on philosophy, mindfulness, and personal growth. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, life is a journey, and the path of the Tao is always there to guide you. Until next time, keep flowing with the Tao and embracing the unfolding journey of life.